Jerome, Arizona, nestled high up in the mountains overlooking the beautiful Verde Valley, is a town steeped in history and known for its unique attractions. Among these fascinating attractions is the sliding jail. This is Daryl
And Erin
on Travel with D&E. The Jerome Sliding Jail, built in 1905, was constructed to accommodate the town's growing rowdy population. Initially, it served as the town's jailhouse, providing not only a place for the miscreants to cool their heels, but also a source of entertainment for locals and visitors alike. Jerome played a pivotal role in the mining industry, particularly in the extraction of copper and other valuable minerals. It was once known as the wickedest town in the West due to its rowdy reputation. Jerome was a bustling boomtown during the early 20th century. Today it stands as a testament to the resilience and spirit of the people who called it home.
The jail operated for around 30 years when the jail's foundation started to get stressed by dynamite blasts from the nearby underground copper mine shafts. Ultimately, the jail pulled away from the attached wood structure and began moving ever so slightly, eventually sliding 225 feet downhill, and it ended up right in the middle of the town's main street. The road was altered to go around it. Years later, the Arizona Department of Transportation pushed it completely off the side of Hull Avenue to where it sits today. The Jerome Sliding Jail was acquired by the Jerome Historical Society in 2017 and have plans to rehabilitate the jail. It has been stabilized with retaining walls to prevent collapse.
The sliding jail is located on the east side of Hull Avenue, just down the hill from the parking area for the Jerome Visitor Center, next to a basketball backboard. This building has a collapsed wall and it's on the downhill side. Admission is free, but there is a pay-to-park lot sitting above the basketball court that is right next to the sliding jail off of Hull Avenue. And Jerome's a really cool town sitting high up on the mountain, definitely worth a visit. The sliding jail is a quirky historical attraction that's worth checking out. And look, if you like this content and you want to check out all our other videos covering attractions near Cottonwood and Jerome, along with the other videos we have on our epic Arizona trip, do us a favor and subscribe. That way you know when we put a new video out. Like that video and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to put a comment below if you've stopped at this location before. Give us your thoughts and you have visited the sliding jail. Thanks for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.